welcome back to my channel. I'm in my pyjamas. It is a Sunday morning and yeah, we are going to be reviewing this guy. So we are reviewing the Revolution multi-acid skin peeling solution. This is literally the exact same dupe for the Ordinary. They're the exact same price. They both cost £10. The only thing is the Ordinary is always sold out. So I was super excited when I found this little bottle. So we're going to try it out today. My skin is relatively okay. I do have a bit of old acne scarring, a few breakouts because it's that time of the month. But all in all, my skin is normally pretty okay. So this little bottle is £10. I will pop it down below. I'm going to be reviewing this product for the next month. So like I say, this is my skin now. I've literally just had a shower this morning, washed my face with my normal face wash and done my normal toner. That is it. So let's just have a look on my phone and just basically tell you a little bit about this product. So this is the multi-acid peeling solution from Revolution Skincare. It's a weekly skin treatment that helps to exfoliate the top surface of your skin. So I'm going to be testing this out for you guys for a month to give the full honest review with this product. So this is a high performance peeling solution containing 30% of AHA and 1.5% of BHA. The AHA mix is a balance of lactic acid, there we go, glycolic acid and fruit acids from bilberry, blueberry, super maple, orange and lemon. These help to exfoliate the dead and dull skin to reveal fresher, smoother skin below the refined tones and textures. The BHA is salicylic acid, which helps to get deep into the pores to ease congestion and help prevent breakouts, which we all want, leaving skin appearing smoother and more radiant. So it's got big claims, so I'm really hoping that it sorts out my texture and helps prevent breakouts. So how to use. So it says use in the evening. I'm breaking the rules. I'm using it in the morning. Don't know if it makes any difference. No more than twice a week. So I'm going to be using it once a week. Every single Sunday for the next 4 weeks, I'm going to be using this product. Apply to clean skin. Well, I've cleaned my skin this morning with my normal face wash and my normal toner. My skin is dry, so it says do not use on wet skin. So my skin is quite dry. Apply evenly across the face and neck. Rinse with lukewarm water. This solution is intended to be used as a mask. Do not leave on for no longer than 10 minutes, so I will set a timer when we put it on. Avoid the eye contour and contact with the eyes during application. Rinse off and then use SPF after. I've got my SPF in my drawer, so I'll put that on after. I'm not going anywhere today and it's literally chucking it down with gale force winds outside, so I'm not going outside. So then it says caution, discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs and keep out of the eyes and for external use only. This is vegan and cruelty free, which I love about Revolution anyway. That's one of my main points that I do love Revolution for. So without further ado, let's get this vampire facial onto my face. I have seen a few reviews. Some people have said it's worked absolutely fantastic. Their skin is much better, it's more smoother, it's more refined. The fine lines and pores and all that jazz have been sorted. Some people have said it's left their skin with a red tinge on, which I'm not too excited about. Some people have said that it irritated their skin and it made it red and it was painful. I'm not looking forward to them bits either. I do have my little mirror so I can see what I'm doing basically. So let's just, I'm gonna put a few drops on this side first and massage it in. Don't get it near my eyes. Doesn't seem to be tingling or irritating so far, so far so good. And it has got a very strong chemical smell to it, quite a strong smell. It is starting to tingle on the face as I'm putting it on. But that's it all applied, and it is a little bit tingly. I can feel it tingling, especially around my pores and my little blemishes. I can feel it like tingling on the skin. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. So hey Google, set timer for 10 minutes. So my timer is now set for 10 minutes. So I'm going to go and have a coffee and I'll be right back and I'll let you know what it's like. So that's been 10 minutes and I've just washed it off and my face does feel really nice and soft. And yeah, I can't obviously see any difference in my skin. I mean, still got blemishes here. I mean, it's the first time that I've used it. So yeah, it feels nice. It didn't feel irritating on my skin. It felt a little bit tingly, but face masks like that tend to be a little bit tingly. But all in all, I can't say that it's irritated my skin. It's not left any redness on my skin either. So I'm just going to be putting on my little Morad SPF. Like it states that you have to put SPF on your skin after you've used it, because obviously it's took a layer off your skin and it just protects your skin. So I'm just going to put my SPF on. And my face feels really, really nice and smooth. Also in this video, I am going to be testing the niacinamide, 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc in this video. Just a quick update on my skin. It has had an extra little breakout here, one here. I think that's new, and a little bit of a breakout on the top of my forehead since using this on Sunday. But when you use new products, new skincare products, sometimes your face has a little bit of a flare up, so just bear that in mind, that sometimes when you use new products, your face will be like, what's this? And it will react just like mine has today. So we're going to be trying this again next Sunday. So I'm just going to put that back. And I'm just going to be trying this out. I will be trying this out every single day, but I think it's going to be boring if you just see me applying it every single day. So I'm going to apply it now, keep applying it through the week. Then on Sunday, when we do the multi-acid skin peel again, I'll give you a review, bit of a review on this, and just carry on and then give you my last review at the end of the video. So I hope that's okay. So we're going to be popping this on my face. So this is the Revolution 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. It's a blemish and pore refining serum. So hopefully, while that's like attacking my face, this is going to soothe it. But yeah, just bear it in mind, if you are going to be testing new products, sometimes your face will just have a little bit of a flare up because it's a new product. And it's just got to have time to, hopefully, fingers crossed, get used to it. So I'm just going to pop this on now. And as you can tell, I'm actually dressed in this video, not like the last one because it was a Sunday. So I'm just going to pop a few drops on each side of my face and the forehead, a bit across the nose. And then I'm just going to massage that into the skin. It feels really nice on the skin. It is tingling at the moment, but I have just shaved my face. So yeah, maybe not shave your face before you put this on. But my face needed it. I could feel the peach fuzz, guys. I could feel the peach fuzz. So that's settled into the skin really, really nicely. Like I say, it has got that tingling effect. Obviously this is the first time I've used it, so I don't know whether it is because I've shaved my face or that's what it does. It just gives you a bit of a tingle. It has got a bit of a tack to it. So yeah, I will give you guys a review in another week. Hey guys, so we're on week 2 of testing these 2 products. And I've got to say guys, my skin is looking so nice at the moment. It did have a little bit of a flare up at the beginning, but it just seems to have settled down. I did have a breakout here and across here and here, but that seems to have settled down. It's genuinely given me like a natural glow to my skin, which I'm really, really loving. So that's the 2 pluses. The only downside was that it gave me a little bit of a flare up, but that's not the end of the world. Don't mind me, I'm in the middle of dyeing my hair, so this is just me in general. So I'm dyeing my hair and I decided it's Sunday again. I'm gonna pop on the acid treatment, leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off again. So yeah, this is week 2 guys. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that on for 10 minutes and I'll be back and we'll see what it's done. So that's it all washed off again guys. My face feels really, really nice and clean. It does feel really nice and soft to touch as well. And it's giving me that really nice glow from within. I have just put on my SPF as well, so that'll probably add to the glow. So I'm going to be popping on the Revolution the Calming Overnight Face Mask. So this is the one with the cannabis oil in. I'll be popping a little bit of that on as well. Might as well review this while I'm reviewing everything else. So like I say, this has got like an incense, like when you burn incense basically, that kind of smell. It's really weird formula. It's like a jelly formula. It looks a little bit inconspicuous to be honest. Looks like something else, but I'm not going to say. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pop some of this on. It's like the most weird consistency ever, to be honest, but it does smell really, really nice, like spa. That's my skin so far, so I will see you in week 3 guys. Guys, we're on week 3 of this review and I must say my skin is having a little bit of a flare up at the moment, but my overall skin feels really, really nice. It's got a really nice glow to it, like a lit within glow, and it feels really nice. I'm going to be applying the multi-acid peeling solution. Of course, it's Sunday, so it's week 3. And I've also been using during the week the 10% niacinamide and the 1% zinc, and I really have seen a big difference on my skin. But the big end of overall review will be in week 4. So let's just apply the peeling solution. So I'm just going to apply it. I'm going to hop in the shower, leave this on for about 10 minutes, come back and we'll have another look and see what's happening. Angels, so we're on week 4 of testing out these 2 products and I've really enjoyed using this one. This is the 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. I've really loved it. I feel like I've not got as many blemishes as I normally would. I mean, I've got a little breakout here and here, but overall I think that this product is really good. It's giving me like a lit from within. My skin looks really healthy and I've noticed that my pores don't feel as congested as they were before I started trying this product. So this one I will definitely be repurchasing. And yeah, my final thoughts on this, I really love it. I use it twice a day, morning and evening, and I really like this. I mean, my skin feels better, it feels softer, it's helped to smooth out my skin as well. So yeah, I don't wear as much makeup as I normally do. I mean, I do wear makeup when I'm going to work or if I'm filming, But like today I've not wore any makeup at all and I'm quite happy within my own skin. So yeah, I definitely rate this one. So this is a thumbs up. So what I'm going to do is put this on for the last time on camera and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts on this product. So I'm going to leave that on my skin for 10 minutes as I normally do, and I will be back and give you my final thoughts, guys. I am back, my face is all washed, and oh my god guys, my skin, once I've washed it off, my skin feels so smooth and so soft. So my final thoughts. On these products, I absolutely love them. Literally my skin feels like fresh new skin, and like I say, I do go days without wearing makeup at all, and if I am wearing makeup I tend to be doing off camera, I tend to do like a thin layer of foundation and not cake it all on. My pores feel less congested and my skin overall feels so smooth and so nice. I am having a breakout like I said, but I've been wearing face masks. So yeah, I absolutely love these products. I would definitely highly recommend that you try them out. My only thing is with the peeling solution, the acid peeling solution, definitely only keep it on for 10 minutes. When I first started using it, it did give me that little bit of a tingling feeling. And my skin did react quite badly with it, but it soon settled down and my skin got used to using it. So I only used the acid peeling solution once a week on a Sunday, and the niacinamide I used every single day, morning and night, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating that all the time into my skincare because I feel like my skin really is looking so much better. And yeah, I absolutely love the products. They're £10 each off Beauty Bay, and you can get them off revolution.com of course as well, and you can also buy them in Boots now and Superdrug as well. So I will leave all links down below where you can purchase these products. But yeah, I'm really happy with how my skin has reacted to it. And like I say, I will definitely be repurchasing. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a new video, which is once a week here on my channel. And until next time, stay beautiful and stay safe as always. Bye guys.